This is going to be a video product review of the K&F Concept TM2515T1 professional 67-inch camera tripod that has a horizontal aluminum arm, I guess. It's also a portable monopod with a 360-degree ball head, quick release plate for Canon, Nikon, Sony, DSLR cameras. I bought this thing like a few weeks ago because I've been looking for a tripod with a horizontal arm. So I'm going to be shooting this video with a regular camera and also GoPro. I don't know how that's going to work out. First time using a GoPro for a video review. We'll see if I even put it in the review. I'm not sure if I'm going to keep this or I'm going to return it. It was on sale. I forget why it was on sale, but it was on sale. It comes in a nice case. Usually things come in really nice cases and I throw the case in the closet and never use it, so I don't really care about cases like a lot of people do. If you travel, if you're a pro photog, I'm not, then maybe a case means a lot to you. Let's see what's in the case. Oh, there's a tripod in the case. You got a nice tripod, maybe. You got a little shoulder strap. Is this showing up on the camera? Yeah, the lighting is not that good. Let's get the lighting a little better. Sorry. You have the strap over here, shoulder strap. Anything else good? I don't like when they put a lot of stuff in the sack. So nothing in the sack now. Sorry about the audio, I'm moving around. Everything is in this one little plastic bag. That is what I like. Just make it easy for me. A little bit of dirt, a little bit of stuff coming off. You got an Allen wrench over here, some instructions if you're Chinese. I'm not sure if there's anything in English. I'm a guy, so let's face it. Guys don't look at instructions. What do we have here? Now, right now, I'm using a Geekodo tripod, and whoops, the plastic fell down, and a Dolica tripod, and none of them do horizontal. So this was a really good price. Oh, I love this. A little bit of ratchetty over there, a ratchet. I might have to get rid of the table. I know you can't see everything, sorry, the camera can only show so much. All right, now this is what I like. I like tripods that have this type of a screw leg. I don't know if any of this is showing on the video. I like tripods that have these kind of legs. Some people like the ones with that I'm using to record it with the GoPro, where it's the little clamp that you pull it like that and you slide it down and you clamp it back. To me, those are a nightmare. This I like. So far, this is not getting, well, why is that not turning back? So far, this is not going to get returned. I like the legs. What do we have over here? Okay, so we've got, that's the standard, is that showing on the camera? That's the standard lock, and then you can press this thing down, and you can get different angles. That's nice. A ratchet, I'm very impressed so far. I like the legs, I like the ratchet. Again, there's only so much I can show unless I get 20 feet away and film from above, and that's the whole point of getting this tripod. So we've got this little screw piece over here on the bottom. I don't know if you can see it from this camera. This screw piece over here. Oh, for the people, if I use the GoPro, we have these legs. Not sure I'm going to show the GoPro. The plastic's kind of coming off right now. Yeah, it's not perfectly seated. That's okay. I don't care. We have the ratchet that I just showed. This, press it down, and you can get ratchet all the way up. That's totally cool. I like that. The nice tight fit, and come on, all us guys like this tight fit on the tripod. So I'm going to unscrew this piece over here. This is neat. I do a lot of video reviews, and some of them I'm just impressed right off the bat, and other times I'm like, okay, whatever. So far, this is really nice. I like this. I can't talk about longevity, quality build, because I just got it. What does this say over here? Please lock detachable monopod. Not going to be using the monopod. Okay, then we have the standard tripodal stuff. You have and this has got a ball mount. I wanted a ball mount, so you can see my ball over there. If you have a good ball on your tripod, life is better. So I only have one ball on this thing. This is probably the standard thing where you turn the knob. No, that's not, okay, so that, I don't know what that does. This allows it to turn Probably allows it to turn. No, that's the stuff. I don't know what the stuff on the bottom is. This is what I'm talking about. This allows you to turn. This allows your ball to turn that way. Very cool. I'm happy. My ball is turning the way I want it. This locks it. This has got some readings over here for turning, for rotation. As I said, I think this is a 360. And then we also have another ball here. I've never used. So I have two balls on my tripod. I've never used a tripod with two balls. I've always had the ball on the top, but I've never had a ball on the bottom. How does this work? This could be kind of neat if I knew what the heck I was doing. I'm loosening my ball, and it doesn't appear to be doing anything. So maybe I don't know what I'm doing. That's a good possibility. I might have to cut this. I don't want to break this thing. I would think, well, I might break it. No, that didn't work. I unscrewed that and that didn't do anything. Okay, so that's not a ball. That's just a rotation thing. Maybe that's a rotation thing. Okay, I'm going to shut off the cameras. I'll be back. I got to figure out what the heck I'm doing for my video review. There it is, people. Without the photograph on the website, I don't know if I would have figured this out for a while. So this is it. We got the sidearm. And so I bought this because when I do my demos, I really need this length. I need something to go over the table. I really need an overhead camera, which I don't have. And the idea was to buy a tripod that would have a horizontal arm. Okay, so my hand, let's see, all of us guys know a hand's about 6 inches, maybe 5.5, so that will measure our thing. 5, so this is probably about 8 inches, 10 inches or so. That's not gonna, when I'm at a table like I am right now, let me show you the table. I got the table over there. So when I'm at the table, that's not gonna overhang, and even on the side, that's not gonna overhang enough from the side or the front to give me a good view. What I would like to do is to have a camera. I'd like to have the tripod at the side of the table and have the arm hanging over, which would probably be about 6, maybe 18 inches, 20 inches, 24 inches, so that I can have the camera above like this. Let me show you what I'm talking, well, kind of like over here, so that I could record from above. And that's why I bought this tripod. It's a really nice tripod. I'm thinking, do I need this thing? Do I really need it if all I've got is about 6 or 8 inches? How's that going to give me a good angle? And it doesn't appear, there's just no way to extend this arm. And that is unfortunate, because if this arm extended, am I getting this in the video on the GoPro? Yeah. If this arm extended all the way out about 20 inches or so, or it gave you the option to take this extra thing down here and extend this out, this would just be absolutely perfecto. And it doesn't let you do that. So I'm thinking, it's a really nice tripod, but it's almost the same as my Gecko. It's almost the same as the Gecko, except it's got the legs that, instead of the clamp on the Gecko, it's got the screw legs. So having a thing like this is just not gonna, okay, so maybe I could have this on the table. See, it just becomes a lot of trouble then if you're looking for a horizontal arm, unless you're just going to work in a small area. So that's really unfortunate. And I don't see any way around this. There appears no way to extend this arm. There is nothing, because there's nothing inside here to do that. Is there any way to turn this? And the problem is the instructions are in Chinese. There's pictures, there are photographs, but I have no idea. I can read photographs, but this is not going to help me. See, this is it's a great tripod. It's a beautiful tripod, but the whole point of buying this thing was to get a nice horizontal arm, and this is not going to help me. I just don't want to return this. I don't want to return it, but I don't see the point of keeping this, because it does not give me that horizontal extension, and that is why I bought it. There's no way to extend this arm. Ah, boy, Amazon's not going to be happy that I'm returning something else. there's just no way to use this thing for what I wanted. If you're not looking, if you're only looking, what do we have, 6? If you're looking for an arm that's probably about 8 inches long or so, this is an awesome tripod. I'm not going to say this is a bad quality tripod. This is a really nice tripod. I am very impressed with this thing. I like the quality. The instructions are a nightmare once I figured it out. This is a really, really neat tripod. And I'm going to mess with this a little bit before I decide if I want to get rid of it. I would love to have, I'm going to see how tight the ball is, because if you have a loose ball, then you don't really want it. This would be, I'm looking for a tripod that's really good for filming the moon and also for extending horizontally over a table. But as far as the table, this is not it. If you're looking for the legs like I showed you in these little ratchet pieces, and this overall is a fairly neat tripod. And on sale, this was great, prime price. Free shipping, good. If you're looking for the Black Friday specials, I'm sure this is going to go on sale, and this is awesome. But why do I want to spend whatever I spent if I can't use it for the horizontal arm? So my review is, overall, this is a 10 out of 10 tripod for just anybody that's looking to get into simple vlogging, whatever they call it, blogging, vlogging, schblogging. And I'm not going to say anything bad about it at all, because this is a really nice purchase. Unfortunately for my case, this does not give me the extended arm that I was looking for, and I'm probably going to box it up and send it back, which I just don't want to do. But I'm going to leave an affiliate link in the video description. You click on that, it will take you over to Amazon. It will help me out. It will help you out. Even if you don't buy this thing, if you shop on Amazon, if you want to click on those links before you put your orders in, it obviously will help me out. If you want to donate to my channel, ask for my PayPal info, do a thumbs up, subscribe, like, share, and all that salesman stuff that all of us creators say. I hope this video helped you. I don't know if I'm going to put the GoPro on there, but I'm going to go look and see how it came out. Overall, 10 out of 10, great product. And if you're just looking for a standard tripod and you don't really care about how long this arm is, I would definitely buy this.